Solve this system by graphing. Show your work. The system of equations is x minus y equals 3 and x minus 2y equals 4. We're going to graph both of these equations separately and look for the coordinates of a point of intersection. So we'll start by graphing x minus y equals 3. And that's going to look like this. It has an x-intercept of 3, 0 and a y-intercept of 0, negative 3. And we'll label that as x minus y equals 3. And then we'll graph the equation x minus 2y equals 4. That's going to have an x-intercept of 4, 0 and a y-intercept of 0, negative 2. So we'll graph that equation and label it. And they do intersect at one point, as we can see. And it appears that the point of intersection is the point 2, negative 1. Now, since we're graphing, it's possible that that wasn't exact, so I need to check that. And I'm going to check that by substituting in both of the equations and seeing if it makes both of the equations true. We have 2, negative 1, so I substitute 2 for x, negative 1 for y, which gives me 2 plus 1, or 3. 3 equals 3 is true, so that point 2, negative 1 is a solution of this equation. I substitute 2 for x and negative 1 for y, and I get 2 plus 2, or 4. 4 equals 4 is also true. So I can say then that the solution of the system of equations is 2, negative 1.